What is up? We are out here fishing today. I have my rod right here. There we go. Got a beetle spin on there fishing for some perch. Have some more gear out there too. Anyway, let's get to fishing. That was a bad cast. What was that? I'm not sure what that cast was. Alright, let's get over here. He's on, baby. Fish on. First, or not first cast, but early cast. It's a little perch. Let's go, guys. Beetle spin, little perch. Love that. There we go. Now let's come over here and give him a release. He's on. There he goes. Yeah, that did not take long at all, guys. Let's go. Oh, is that a fish or is that a log? I can't tell. Oh, that's a fish. Second cast, 2 casts in a row. This one's a mini perch. Mini little white perch. Dude, this is like uncut fishing here. Dude, I ain't got a good grip on him. He's hooked under the cheek. There we go. Now. Whoops. Be free. There we go. He finned me real bad. They're like bluegill. This is brackish water we're fishing today. So these can survive in white perch are in freshwater, brackish, and salt. So you can really catch them everywhere. They're very fun fish. Fight a lot for their size. Oh, that's a hit. They do seem to be, they don't always get hooked up. But they do bite a lot. Oh, fish on. He's off. Dang it. It's okay. He was tiny. I'm not sure what that was even. Oh, that was a hit. Oh, that's a fish. That's a good one. Guys, that's a good one. Woo! Big boy. At least a fighter. He's not that big. He's a little decent. Yeah, that's a decent one right there, guys. That is a decent. Biggest one of the day. Third one of the day. Let's take him over here. Over these rocks. It's super low tide right now. And this guy is not happy about being caught. At all. This is a feisty bugger. There we go. First big boy of the day, guys. Nice one. Oh, fish on. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Let's go. He's decent. Oh, crap. He popped off. That was a good one. Oh, dang. That might have been the biggest of the day. I got a fish on. I got another one. He popped off. Dang it. Yeah, they pop off a lot. Let's see if we can get back out there and catch this. Oh, one hit it as soon as it hit water. Oh, that's a fish. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one, guys. Not a good one. It fought a lot. I tell you, these little guys fight more than the big guys. They seem to do that a lot. It's been a little while since I caught one, which for white perch is like 5 minutes. Because these guys are like every cast sometimes. He's not a bad one, that's for sure. They're just not like a huge. Like, he put up a good fight. And I love a good fight. But I love a good perch as well. We're gonna set him back. The bite definitely turns off for them at like a certain point. Like you catching them out and it just turns off immediately. He's decent. There he is. Look at that little perch. Yeah, he's a decent little guy. I will take any perch I can catch. You know, you can come out here and catch 100 easily with a beetle spin or even a crankbait. Those are my favorite baits. I do prefer not using treble hooks, so that's why I like the beetle spins the best. But you know what? I mean, there's a lot of things that catch these guys. We got this guy good. Jeez. This guy got hooked good. Normally the hook pops right out of these guys. But sometimes it just don't. There we go. Good dude. Put this guy down and set him back. There we go. Nope, it's so shallow right there. Remains of a blue crab. Look, there's his claw. Yeah, guys, remains of a blue crab. I just plan to do some crabbing out here, catch some blue crabs, boil them. I do plan to do that soon. That'll be time for a different day, though. Perfect cast right up on the dock. If we don't get anything this cast, I don't know when we will. Yep, I knew it. He's on. I knew we had to catch a fish that cast. It was just too perfect not to catch a fish. Another little perch. You know, sometimes if you're fishing a beetle spin out here, you mostly catch white perch. Sometimes, though, you'll catch like a croaker or a tiny little striped bass. Whoa, I almost slipped. These rocks, oh crap. We'll set him back. Give him a nice safe release, even though he fell off the hook onto the rocks, which is not a very safe release. There we go. He's off. Okay, this has got to be a money cast. Yep, money. Oh, big. Big fish. Sometimes the little ones fight, though, so I can't get my hopes up too much. He's not like a huge one, but this guy's got a little kick to him. No! He popped off right at the end. It wasn't huge, so I'll be fine, but he popped off at the end. Fish on. Let's go. Fish on, baby. Ooh. I gotta bring him up over that rock. He's decent. He's a decent feller. Feisty one. Not huge. That's actually a good one. That is a real good one. Look at that boy. He choked it though. Yeah. That's what crap. This guy got it down there. But it's out. Let's go. That was tough to release, but let's get a nice release on him. Let's head under this dock and see if anything bites over there. This dock. Just gonna get past this dock. Crap. That was not good. It didn't hurt, but I hope my rod's okay. I didn't get hurt, but I'm perfectly fine. Look, there's blue crab shells all up along this bank. Jeez. Y'all seeing this? I don't know if you can see it on the camera though. tide's starting to come up. Yeah, the water's starting to get, fish. Big fish. Big fish, guys. Feisty one, at least. It's not, oh, it's a croaker. It's a big croaker. That's my PB croaker. Let's go, PB croaker. That's my biggest croaker in my life. Yes, wait, is that a drum? Guys, is this a redfish or a croak? If he croaks. Oh, I hear him croaking. It's a croaker. I hear there. Stop it, bud. It's hard to unhook them because, like, there we go. PB croaker, guys. I'm gonna take a picture of that. I've caught like 100 fish on this one plastic, so like it's starting to fall apart now. Fish. But not yet. Not quite, anyway. Never mind. Oh, he popped off. What the heck, man? That sucks. Alright, money cast. Money cast. Yep. Yep. Fish on. Oh, this feels good. It's got some fight behind it. I mean, I saw him. He wasn't huge. But it's just been a while. That's why I wanted to catch them so bad. They keep popping off. Time, we just gotta put the rod down and say the bite's off. And that is this time currently. But we did absolutely shred them on this, what's it called? Beetle spin. As you can see, I've been hitting the rock, so it's all, you know, silver, paint's gone. This yellow chartreuse and orange beetle spin. Didn't use anything else in the box, but we caught them pretty good. But I think that's it for this video, guys. See you later.